As soon as I see a picture that has a right angle, and they're almost always drawn like this, they don't have to look like this, but the Regents is pretty straightforward in that they almost always draw them like this. As soon as I see a picture that has a right triangle with an altitude drawn out of the right angle, it's almost always altitude to hypotenuse. All right? So KG is 9, IG is 12. Find this length. All right? So number one, this is a leg. This is the altitude. All right? There's no way legs and altitudes mix together. All right? So there's lots of different ways to do this, actually. The shortest way is if you know these two things, it's piece 1 over altitude equals altitude over piece 2. And that's going to get me this right here. All right, so piece 1 is 9, altitude is 12, altitude is 12, piece 2 is x. All right, so I cross multiply that, I get 144 equals 9x. I divide by 9. Divide by 9. 144 divided by 9. I get 16. Okay, of course 16 is there. All right, of course it's there. So this is 16. So yeah, add that onto my diagram. Now I can do Pythagorean theorem there to get that, or I can do a second one of these. I'm just doing Pythagorean theorem. 9 squared, 12 squared, x squared. All right. Oh, not 12, sorry. Don't do 9 squared, 12 squared. Think about what I'm doing here. 12 squared, 16 squared. All right, 12, 16, and then that's the hypotenuse of that triangle. All right, so 12 squared plus 16 squared, I believe it's 400. Yep. So 400 equals x squared, and I take the square root, and I get 20. All right, any of the other ways you would have done it, you would still get 20. All right, but no matter what you do, it's 2 steps. All right, and you either have to use trig, or you have to use one of these. You have to use similar triangles, which is super complicated, or you have to do this piece 1 altitude thing to get started with the problem.